You may notice some white powders are used in electrical current-carrying power cables. Naturally, you may have some questions about their use. At first glance, it might seem unusual or even unnecessary. But this powder plays a vital role in the performance, safety, and longevity of electrical cables. In this video, we're going to uncover what this white powder is, why it's used, and how different types of it help cables operate in tough electrical environments. So let's discuss why white powder is used inside electrical power cables. Various powders are used inside power cables for various reasons according to the requirement. 1. To make the cable flexible. 2. For better thermal conductivity. 3. For good lubrication of electrical cables. 4. To make electrical cables fireproof. 5. To block the water and eliminate the moisture issue. Now, we can go for details regarding using the white powder in power cables. Depending on the use and the current capacity of the cable, various kinds of white powder are utilized in the construction of electrical cables, including 1. Talcum powder. 2. Magnesium oxide, MgO powder. 3. Swellable powder. 4. Chalk powder. Each has a unique purpose, from reducing friction to blocking moisture to providing fire resistance. Talcum powder is most commonly used in low-voltage, low-current cables like computer cords, phone chargers, and household wiring. Its main purpose is to keep the internal wires from sticking to the outer sheath, especially when cables age and heat up. Over time, rubber or PVC jackets can become sticky or degrade. Talcum powder acts as a dry lubricant, preventing sticking, maintaining flexibility, and helping the cable last longer. Magnesium oxide powder is used in mineral-insulated (MI) cables, designed for high-voltage or high-current applications like power plants, oil rigs, and fire-critical systems. Why is MgO powder special? It has two key properties. 1. High thermal conductivity. It quickly carries away heat from the conductor. 2. Very low electrical conductivity. It insulates, even under extreme heat. Together, these properties make MgO cables ideal for fire resistance, continuous operation at high temperatures, and reliability in harsh environments. Think of magnesium oxide powder as both a heat sink and a safety barrier. It moves heat out while keeping electricity in. When cables are buried underground or run through wet areas, moisture can seep in and cause corrosion, short circuits, and breakdowns. This is where swellable powder comes in. Also known as water-blocking powder, this material absorbs moisture and swells, turning into a gel-like barrier that blocks water from traveling down the cable. In some cables, particularly in fire alarm systems and emergency circuits, chalk powder is used as a flame-resistant filler. It adds an additional barrier that slows down fire propagation and provides structural integrity when the cable is exposed to extreme heat. Let's compare these four powders and their functions. 1. Talcum powder. Main purpose is lubrication, flexibility, and it is used in household IT cables. 2. Magnesium oxide powder. Main purpose is heat dissipation, insulation, and it is used in MI cables, industrial power. 3. Swellable powder. Main purpose is water blocking, and it is used in underground and underwater. 4. Chalk powder. Main purpose is fire resistance, and it is used in alarm, emergency power cables. As safety standards evolve, cable manufacturing is also changing. Nanotechnology-based powders and eco-friendly fire retardants are being developed to replace older materials. White powder in cables might seem like a small detail, but as we've seen, it's a critical component that ensures safety, efficiency, and reliability. From blocking water to resisting fire, these powders silently protect our homes, industries, and lives every day. Thanks for watching, and stay connected safely.